back to another video. Today we have another email from Harbor Freight. We got 10% off on all storage, toolboxes, Yukon, US General, Icon. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes, so help us out. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. It says Black Friday deals just for you, nothing, or now through nothing. Now through Thursday 11/12. So you guys got a whole week for this. Alright, 10% off. Here's the coupon. I'll see if I can just take a quick screenshot here for you guys and make it bigger for you guys at the screen. So we got a screenshot. We got Yukon US General Series 2 Icon. It says print coupon limit 1 cannot be combined with any other coupons. Black Friday price items valid through 11/12/20. You got coupon code 152-98395. So 152-98395. So 10% off any of those coupons. Also, we do have another one here. We got 10% off any compressor. So pretty much any compressor in the whole store. Good to go here with this 10% off coupon. So same thing, Central Pneumatic, McGraw, Fortress. Print coupon cannot be combined, same thing. Black Friday prices valid through 11/12. It says coupon code 150-23275. So feel free to use any of these coupons on your purchase. We got another item on sale, which I think is one of the better items that they have. This tool is actually a professional grade tool, and the only downside on this tool, to tell you guys the truth, is that, you know, pretty much the battery. There's only a few tools that use this battery. You can only use this on the Earthquake XT, the 1/2 inch. I believe that they make an inch or 3/4, and I believe they make I don't know if they make like a polisher or something like that, and a grinder. So you only got a few tools to use. Maybe they're cleansing it out, who knows. But they got Earthquake XT 20 volt max lithium, a 3/8 cordless extreme torque impact wrench kit. So this is a really a great tool for the mechanic, somebody starting out, doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money, or DIY. $119.99. That's a very good price there. That'll get you going there. It's a professional level tool there. You got a Badlands ZXR, $119.99. You got 3,500 pound ATV Power Sport 12 volt winch with automatic load holding brake. So really nice winch here. Just remember, guys, it's only 3,500 pounds, so it's only for the side-by-side or the ATV. You got a 5,000 lumen LED solar security light, $23.99. I have one of these, guys. Still works. That thing is super bright. As a matter of fact, I gotta take it down and replace the wood. Because I put a wood base on the solar panel, and the wood is pretty much, I did a horrible job. I gotta redo it. Anyways, I do have a review on that one if you guys want to check it out. So we got Chicago Electric 6 amp heavy duty variable speed rotating handle reciprocating saw. Guys, this is a great reciprocating saw if you're doing a project. You don't want to spend a lot of money on a tool. You got 20 bucks here. It'll get you going. It'll get you cutting. Even this tool will even prune, you know, your small branches and stuff like that. So definitely recommend that for you guys if you guys are DIYs and have a small project there. You got the tactical ammo utility box. Black Friday price $7.99. Haven't seen this price or this toolbox before. It looks like it does have some compartment on the top that you can remove for smaller tools or smaller stuff there. And you got two bags here, or two compartments there, and probably the bigger compartment. You got the Hardy gloves, professional mechanics gloves, $9.99. I do have these gloves. These gloves are pretty good. I would say they're kind of uncomfortable at first because they're brand new, they're hard. But once you break them in, once you get them into your hands, they pretty much fit like a glove. You know, just pretty much just fit around your hands. But yeah, these are great. These are, and they do have everything here is plastic. Well, not plastic, but rubber. So if you bump your hand somewhere, um, it'll definitely take a beating. So before you hurt yourself. All right, it says shop more Black Friday deals now and 12:30. So I gotta check this out still. I still gotta stay tuned for that video. I gotta make a video on this coupon catalog here. We got Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile rapid pump floor jack 104.99. Definitely recommend the floor jacks from Harbor Freight. They're awesome. You can't go wrong with any floor jack basically. I recommend you guys go with the low profile or the long reach low profile. Make sure you guys get the low profile. It actually lifts higher and it is lower profile if you got a drop vehicle, you know, a vehicle that's closer to the ground. Another great item that they have is this Predator 2001 super quiet inverter generator, $449.99. I've been wanting to getting one of these just to have for the house, just in case I go camping or whatnot. You know, these are great for just having a backup in case your grid goes down and something like that. And there's an example there how you could use it. All right, you got another coupon here. It says a Brown 5,000 lumen 4 feet LED hanging shop lights, $19.99. This was on sale, I believe, that last weekend for $17.99. So, but it's pretty good at $19.99. It's not linkable, but you can still link them up. You know, I mean, if you got several outlets, you can just plug them in. It's no big deal. Got a Portland 1750 psi, 1.3 gallons per minute quart electric pressure washer. It's a great pressure washer. Still, it's the normal price that we always see. The normal coupon price. All right, you got a Badlands ZXR 12,000 pound truck SUV winch with remote control automatic brake. So right off the bat, you're getting a good, reliable winch, and you're not breaking the bank there. $299 will get you winching. Don't expect this to be the fastest. Don't expect this to be, top of the line. Obviously, it's lower on cost, so it's gonna get you out of it's gonna get you where you need to go. But it may run hot if you put a lot of pressure on the source. I would definitely recommend taking your time with this, but they do work. They work fine. There's a lot of YouTube channels out there that use these, including, I don't know if you guys watch Matt Off-Road and Recovery. He actually uses this whenever he needs one, because he doesn't carry it on his truck, but on his truck. But he does have one in case he needs it. So Franklin 17 feet type, 300 pound capacity multi-task ladder, $99.99. It's a great value there. Definitely recommend it. You can put all kinds of different patterns and stuff on that ladder there. You got a Cover Pro 10 by 17 feet portable garage, $174.99. Got a Hallmaster 72 by 80 moving blanket. I mean, it's a blanket. It doesn't hurt to have that in your vehicle in case you need to spend a cold night in the vehicle for emergencies situations, maybe camping or something. It'll help you out. Or if you have a flat tire, it'll help you stay clean basically if you got a party to go to or somewhat. So $5.99. And there you go. That's an example of how you can use it. You got a Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder, $99.99. This will get you welding, so definitely very cheap. It'll get you welding. It's not quality, guys. This is not quality if you want to clean nice welds, you want to learn how to do it the right way. You might want to step it up. You might want to go a little higher. But if you don't care, like if you want to just, if you have a shop and you just want to have something to stick two pieces of metal together, this will definitely get it done. Might have to grind a little bit there. So Pittsburgh toolkit with the case, 130 piece. This is definitely a great deal. The plastic's a little flimsy. They might fall, but you know, all these tools work. I still have them on my truck. Definitely worth it for 29 bucks. Got a Hallmaster 400 pound capacity, 1 inch wide, 15 ratcheting. I do have these. They work really good. Definitely recommend for $6.99. Always great to have it. If you have a truck or an SUV, these things are a must to have just on your truck. On top, you know, because who knows what you're gonna pick up or what you're gonna buy, or if you're gonna stop and buy a TV or something. Luminar outdoor, 24 feet, 12 bulb outdoor incandescent string lights, $21.99. I haven't heard nothing bad about these, so $21.99 will get you going there. Really nice white. All right, we got the Bauer 20 volt Hypermax lithium cordless half an inch compact drill driver kit, $59.99. You know what, guys? If you guys have a really expensive drill, or if you just a DIY, well, actually, if you have an expensive drill and you don't want to put it through, you know, dust, water, you know, take it out, you know, where you're gonna be throwing it in the concrete and stuff like that. You know, you want to save your nice DeWalt and stuff, and you want to get something like this to beat up pretty much. Or if you're just a DIY, this will definitely work for you. If you're just a light, you know, just moderate DIY, you do a small project with wood and stuff like that, this will definitely get you going. It's a great deal. It's a great drill for the house. Really, really great value there for the money. And plus, you could use these batteries. You could use them on several different tools. They got so many tools now. So you got Pittsburgh Automotive 2-ton capacity foldable shop crane, $189.99. I do have the older model of this, guys. It does work. I lifted a few V8s already, a V6. I still have it on my storage there, but I forgot what engines. I've used it several times and it hasn't failed since. So, and there's an example of what you can do with it. So you can lift it. Got the Braun 390 lumen magnetic slim bar. I do have this. Works really well. Usually use this as my go-to light. It's not the smallest. It doesn't fold, but I always keep it in the work truck. Very reliable. The battery still works. And plus, if you guys want to get some extra batteries for this thing, you guys could always go online and pick them up. As a matter of fact, I ended up breaking one of the power banks that you use for the cell phones to charge the cell phones. What I did is I took out the batteries and just use the batteries for this thing. That's what I did. Just make sure they're compatible with the voltage, but they should be 18650s, I believe, if I'm not wrong. So you can search that on eBay and buy a few more on Amazon. You got Drill Master corded 4.5, 4.3 amp angle grinder, $11.99. Guys, these are great, guys. These are pretty much little angle grinders you guys could have for several different tasks. If you have your nice angle grinder, your Makita, your DeWalt, and you want to use this for lighter duty, maybe just cleaning or cutting or whatever, something that's lighter duty. You guys could always use these for that. So, and have a couple of them have a different blade on each one. $11.99 there. Here's another one, Viking lithium ion jump starter and power pack, $69.99. I do have this. Works really good. My mom has it. Still works. You got Luminar outdoor 250 lumen pop lantern, $5. So $5 there. I haven't used it personally, but I've seen it. It's pretty bright. We got a Pittsburgh 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive SA metric socket set, 64 piece, $29.99. Wow, it's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal for that. Maybe for the truck, keep it in the truck there for emergencies. A metal 50 cal ammo can, $11.99. I do have one of these. Works really good. You can even use them for storage. Like if you want to have like an organized garage, you can have all your, your smaller parts here and just label it, label it at the end, label it there, and have a bunch of those and get organized. Those are great organization. Alright, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Remember guys, we're going to have some more Home Depot, Lowe's videos. We always go through Home Depots and Lowe's, so make sure you guys check our channel out. Subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell icon, so you can stay tuned for all those Black Friday deals coming up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.